morning. It's Alyse Nicole here, and I am technically on day 2 of my 6-day trip to Ceiba, Honduras. I'll be staying at Las Cascadas Lodge, located right here in Ceiba in the jungle, and I am the only person here. So I'm gonna take y'all with me on this 6-day trip. Technically today is day 2. I got here yesterday evening, and show you all what I experienced and just the resort and the city in general. We won't be going to the main part of the city. We'll be in the rainforest for the whole trip, doing hikes and tours, visiting local villages, visiting the waterfalls. Also, if you can hear, there's actually a waterfall right outside of my window that I'll show you. If you are interested in seeing more about Las Cascadas Lodge or Ceiba, stay tuned. Okay, now I'm up and dressed and having breakfast, and I want to show you what I'm eating and also my beautiful view. I have locally sourced fruit, green tea, passion fruit juice, and also a Honduran breakfast, which is beans, cheese, chorizo, eggs, avocado, and tortillas. And this is the view. Alright, so I just finished breakfast and going on a little tour of the property. Unfortunately, I did not bring my camera with me, so you didn't see that tour, but I'm about to take you on it now, so let's head out. Just like that, we're outside. Yes, the waterfall is that close. Here's another view of it. You can go down in the water. I plan to do that either today or sometime this week. I brought my swimsuits. And I was told that sometimes you can catch white-tailed monkeys going through the trees right here on their daily trips. So now, let's go on that tour. Yep, so we're coming up the side, up to the front, and it's a very pleasant surprise up here for you. Scare them off. You see? It's full of hummingbirds. You can literally just hear them humming around, flying. A little birdie. There were a bunch up here when I came out earlier. This is the entrance to Las Cascadas Lodge. All the roofs have new leaves on top, and so they're being protected right now because when they're new, they're more vulnerable to being damaged, so they have to age a little bit and then the covering is going to come off of them. It gets replaced every now and then. This is the parking area. You come up these stairs. Oh, first, here's one of the smaller swimming areas. It has 2 hammocks, lounging chairs, pool, and a hot tub. And 2 more lounging chairs over here. Surrounded by banana trees and papaya trees, avocado. Can you see all the avocado on this tree? Cookies. There we go. Full of avocados. I had one this morning for breakfast. There's the entrance. Now we're gonna go up this trail. Here's some more trees. Oh, did y'all see that lizard? And here's another papaya tree. You see the papaya down at the bottom. I was given a lime off of a lime tree earlier and it smelled so good. There's this rope swing. He specified this is for children. All the trees at the same time. And there's a trail right here on the other side of the tree that leads to a 45-minute each way hike, so 90 minutes altogether. There's a beautiful waterfall at the end, so I will be doing that one day. You can see it's humid here. It's not that hot, just humid. There's a lot of fruit tables out here for birds to feed, so I'm going to show you one of those. There's other fruit down here that other animals eat. Limes, oranges, a bunch of citrus fruits. Now, I'll show you the other side. Made it to the top of these stairs, and if you can see behind me, you'll see why. Wait for it. You can hear it already. Another waterfall. There's no fish up here. Just clear, beautiful water. People jump in here. You can see that's a good little deep spot for jumping. Also, there's steps that lead down into it. And it leads to the waterfall that you can see from my room. Down there. There's the main building. My room is right over there to the side. Now I'm gonna head back down, refreshen up, and get ready for lunch. As you can see, it's a nice amount of stairs to get up there, but it's not a terrible walk. And there's railing on the side when you get up past this little point. But it's beautiful. I love it. Now, get my life together. Get ready for lunch, as I said. And I'll show you what we'll be having. So we have chicken fajita style somewhat. Rice, plantains, with some white wine, and our usual salt, pepper, and habanero sauce. Let's dig it. The time has come. I'm getting in the water. I'm touching the waterfall. Now we've made it back to the other pool. Well, the pool, the smaller one. We'll go to the one up the hike tomorrow, but let's check the temperature. Alright, that water wasn't bad. It felt pretty good actually. It was almost warm, but it wasn't warm and it wasn't cold, but it wasn't lukewarm. It was colder than lukewarm, but warmer than cold. But that was nice. It was very deep. It wasn't very deep, but deeper than I thought it would be. When I stepped down off of the steps, I was already above my boob in the water. So that was a surprise, but that was as deep as it was too, the whole pool. So not terrible unless you're shorter than that and can't swim. If you can swim, not a problem. If you can't swim, be at least, I'd say about 5'4". I'm 5'7", and it came above my boobs, so be tall enough for it to be above your head if you can't swim, or just hang out in the hot tub instead. Let's walk the trail to my room. This is the path. It leads up, but that was a short trail. This is my room. But if you walk down here, we could follow this little creek some more. The creek that formed today, it didn't form today. It's a pre-existing, but it didn't have water at first, and now it does. Leading down to the little feeder river, which sometimes becomes a full river, depending on how much rain it is. I wonder if it was raining up north, and that's where this water came from all of a sudden. But look at all that ginger. Now that I know it's ginger, I won't stop talking about it. It's beautiful. So he picked these right from here, made the bouquets, and I love that. And these are my favorite. I love these. So back around to this side, this is the water that little creek feeds into, which is fed by the water from the waterfall. And the upper waterfall, well, the upper waterfall feeds this waterfall. Stops at a little water hole, but since it's constantly running downstream, it's okay to be in it. It's not sitting water. And then there you go, down that way, and the main water runs that way, which makes the full river that's across the street over there outside of the gates. It's hard to see it through the trees on camera. And now dinner is served. We have guacamole with extra chips, steak with potatoes, mixed veggies, and rice. And this cutie has also joined us. Hey girl. I had an outfit change after pool time. I'll show you my outfit later. I'll try really hard to show you my outfit later. I'm not good at that. Didn't show my dress at all earlier, except for what you can see in basically this size frame. Sorry. Guacamole made with the avocados we saw earlier today. Yes, please. Now it's just me. Got the place to myself. The workers are gone for the night. Woe is me. But I wanted to show you the waterfall, how they light it up at night. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to my room. So they have these green lights coming at it at night. It gives it a really pretty hue. I love it. So if you wanted to, you could go in there at night with people. I would not recommend you going by yourself still, even with the lights. But if you wanted to go with other people, it would be okay. Also, in the morning, I'm going birding, and I have to leave at 6:30. So I guess I have to get up by 5:30 to get ready. And we're gonna go look at some birds, y'all. So I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It's time for our birding trip. So I'm about to head out and have some tea before we actually head out to do the birding. And we'll see what we see today on this trip.
Dark, when you see the side, the predator think it's an owl, so they just the skin starts to come out like that. So we call it orange tree, but the traditional name is Gumbo Limbo.
Gumbo Limbo.
Gumbo Limbo. Yeah. Then it allows ants to live into the trunk and protect the tree against predators.
Mm-hmm.
That's why when you cut down the forest, when you slash and burn, the first trees that recovers are cecropias. One of the first ones, cecropias, the Gumbo Limbo, the naked Indian I showed you before. Can't grow nothing in your backyard because
Right. Alright, so we just got back from birding and now it's breakfast time, so I'll show you today's. We've made it to the other pool at the top of the mountain with the sauna. It has a little sitting area. These big, beautiful trees. had a little lay down after the birthing trip, and now it's lunchtime. Well, there's not much to tell you about today. Just finished lunch. It was delicious, just like everything else was, or has been. And now I'm going to move some stuff over to my drive to save up some space on my camera so that I can keep recording, edit some other stuff, and yeah, just work on that for a little while, and then also do some actual 9 to 5 work. But I'll see y'all when I get back at you. I'm not sure why my camera is so dark right now, but I wanted to show you rain in the rainforest. The little baby creek is going a little bit stronger than it was earlier. And the little secondary river is flowing a little faster. It's not getting more filled up or anything, just faster. But currently the power is off. But it's alright. I was just in my room laying down anyway, so I didn't need any power. My phone is charged, and for some reason the Wi-Fi still works, so if I needed to do any work, I'd be able to do that still. I might need to go check my old footage, but I think the waterfall is flowing harder, but I might be making it up. Does it look more powerful to you than it did previously? Or am I being paranoid? So I wasn't paranoid. It is flowing harder. It even has a little, like 2 little separate falls going now. I love it. Today we had a dinner by candlelight because of the storm, and I'm using my little light that I use to record for extra. We have fried fish, mashed potatoes, grilled peppers, and squash soup. We're walking through Las Mangas and just checking out the village, maybe meet some people, and we're gonna see the Hammock bridge in a little bit, but we're just walking through.
This is the table road. Hummingbirds.
We saw a lot of hummingbirds.
Yeah, this is the, this is the toucan, and different. The ladies made it, and the artisan is for inspirational birds, different birds, butterflies. You know, is the Cayos Cochino, the beach is down here in La Ceiba. Half an hour you stay in La Ceiba.
Yeah.
And you made it snorkeling. And this will represent, the blanket represents the travel here in La Ceiba.
Yeah.
All time villas and this.
I love it.
The sun is it's not similar. Is a tour, the local tour operation here in the area, and inside is the kindergarten.
Oh.
Yeah, for no kid now. She said go to more in front is the school.
Yeah, that's good.
And come here. And this and this is one big column. The doctor check the people. And one time here, we go to emergency for the Ceiba.
Oh, okay.
So simple problem here, you know, sugar or checking system,
Yeah.
pressure, you know, the kid, one problem, recipes, you know, into one little pharmacy here, and this is good, you know.
Yeah. I have my first local Honduran beer, Salavita, and I got it from the neighborhood bar, and I can't wait to try it. Return the school from the village. I'm not going to show too much because I don't want to have the children's faces on here, but I'll show you their garden. Okay.
Hello.
Give it 2 thumbs up.
The tour here is 3 hours or 3.5. Depending people. Just good for a walk, it's 3 hours. It's not too good for a walk, it's 3.5 hours, 4 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be there. Safety first.
Welcome to Honduras.
There. It was just making it down the stairs for me.
I
made it to the Hammock Bridge. Just going down the steps to get on the bridge was scary for me because I don't trust my feet, but the bridge is very nice.
Strong hurricane here in Honduras.
Oh.
When I office in the national park, here, for when a hurricane mix, it's very strong.
Oh,
You know the information of hurricane mix?
I know Hurricane Mitch, yeah.
The office in the national park,
Mm-hmm.
right here. So it's the mountain come down,
Wow.
clean. And this is the plan now. The office is across the river.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. We're at the Honduras Chocolate Company. You can see, I might have to go down. You can get a better view of the sun. We're gonna go on their chocolate tour, taste a few chocolates, and drink, I think, one beverage that's also made from the chocolate.
It's a pressure machine that converts the chocolate mass. The machine makes pressure. Where are you from?
White chocolate, Austin, Texas. Turns out I guess I can handle dark chocolate. I made it all the way up to 95% and I still liked it. Or maybe it's just because they make good chocolate here. Maybe a little of both. But I'm gonna get the white chocolate bar because I love white chocolate. don't come for me. And the 65% also. Alright, guess what? The microphone works again. It decided to turn on a different kind of voice, so I had to try a few different things for it to turn on. That's not its usual way. Anywho, it works now. We just made it back from our tour of the villages and the chocolate factory and everything. It was amazing. I really enjoyed it. I got to meet some of the locals and they were all very nice and welcoming. And yeah, now I am about to shower, maybe go get back in the water, and then it'll be lunchtime. So see you at one of those things. Okay, and now it is lunchtime. I have on my swimsuit cover up as a robe currently, and got to go eat this food. I might take a nap after lunch, and then I'm going into town really quickly to pick something up, and then we'll see what happens the rest of the day. Alright, so for lunch today we have baked pork chops, a tropical salad, and sweet plantains and rice, and I can't wait to begin. It looks really good. Okay, dinner tonight is shrimp with rice and beans and ceviche, and I can't wait to eat it. I'll give you a close-up. Good morning. This is my last full day here. I'm sad about it, but I am excited to get back home too. But today we have a hike planned and then a massage to save my life from that hike. And then we'll see what we get into the rest of the day. But as you know, breakfast time. This morning is another quick one with just a fruit bowl and some green tea and the ever beautiful view. So I'll see you after breakfast. Just kidding, we're also having eggs with tomato sauce, ham, cheese, avocados, and corn tortillas. Take two. The microphone wasn't on at first. We are going hiking across the river to a waterfall, and there's a water hole underneath, but I did not feel like putting my swimsuit on, so I'm not going swimming in it. But I will show y'all, especially us crossing this river right now. Chicken feet flour. It's good for come in person to see this waterfall. This is the one we're hiking to. This is just a precursor. We made it to the waterfall. It's beautiful. That's the swimming hole underneath. Beautiful. And I'll show you up close. That's where it flows off down the mountain, making more waterfalls. He's the bravest man in town. It's so beautiful out here. I'm really sad that I didn't put my swimsuit on. I just wasn't feeling it this morning. I love it.
in the fingers in the hand and mash.
Well, and there's bug spray.
It's smelling me.
I smell it.
It's not too strong.
It's
But
not.
it's good. Yeah.
Making our way back down. I'll show you when we cross the river this time. I'm not a chicken anymore. I'm not scared. Back to the steps. River's up next. You can see it over there. Back to the river with our main land body leading the way. We're going in. Oh lordy, I already lost all my confidence. I'm ready. Oops, sorry. Woo! Slide. I was sinking. Alright. Okay. Yay! I'm not scared anymore. Made it across. Ah, bunch of mango trees. Coconut trees, palm trees, everybody trees. Alright, it's my last lunch here at Las Cascadas. I'm sad, but the food looks delicious as usual, so I'll show you now. And up next is a massage, so I have to hurry up and eat so that I can get ready for the massage. That is the final night, so I'm celebrating, and I put on my little cute dress. I'll show you the full body. I wore this for my husband and my anniversary, I think last year, but I love this dress. And just my regular water sandals and undone hair, and now it's dinner time. Alright, it's dinner time. Let's see what we have. Steak, mushrooms, and a salad. Now, I'm not surprised about the steak because I requested it, but I didn't know what the sides would be. It looks delicious. And it's accompanied with squash soup. Well, my time has come to an end here. I'm headed to the airport now. Just finished our lunch and quick sleep. I'm gonna miss you, Las Cascadas. And La Ceiba. Little hummingbirds in the background. Until next time.